Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the Firestick so it can accept apps outside the store. Go into Settings, right arrow My Fire TV, right arrow Developer Options, and enable apps from unknown sources. This lets you sideload safely. Once done, install the Downloader app from the Amazon App Store to fetch APKs. Make sure your Fire OS is updated and you have roughly 2 GB free. Low storage causes installation failures and performance issues. This setup gets you into the first actionable steps immediately. You now fetch and install the essential Google packages in order. Use Downloader to download Google Account Manager, then Google Services Framework, and finally Google Play Services. Order matters because dependencies must register correctly. Install each APK from the Downloader prompt, grant permissions when requested, and do not open any Google app until the last one is installed. Once all three are installed, reboot the Firestick to allow the services to initialize and register with the system. Finish by sideloading the Google Play Store APK and then open it to trigger updates. Play services may update automatically. You sign into your Google account. If typing is slow, use ADB or a Bluetooth keyboard for convenience. Once signed in, install any app to confirm functionality. If something fails, clear cache and data for Google Play Services and Play Store, reboot, and reinstall the specific APK that failed. This cleanup tip resolves most common installation or sync errors quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.